Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll tell you what you'll be doing in the White Hat Junior task and how you'll be generating the lead. So we had a webinar today on how to generate leads, what are the types of lead and all. So that's what you will be doing here. You just need to get leads to register for actually a job opening, kind of for it is basically for fourth year technical students, fourth year or the final year technical student. It may be BCA, BSc IT or BTech or anything, MSc IT or MTech even. So or even those who have passed out and are actually can do part-time jobs, part-time teaching job, so they can apply for this. So the job position is female coding educator, and it is basically for a brand known as White Hat Junior. About White Hat Junior, White Hat Junior is in India's one of the first coding which provide coding classes to the kids of 6 to 12 years age pan India. They have a big base. Their founders are ex Discovery, as ex NASA, and many more alumni of many big organization are there, those who have started this organization. So you just need to get people to fill a lead form, and educators, basically those who are interested in teaching those kids, and they can also earn up to 50,000 to earn from 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month, and they can get a handsome salary at home like 6 to 12 lakh per annum, which is actually good, right? So I'll just show you how they can fill the form, and further details will be provided in a form of PDF to you in the group. You can just refer that. If you have any issues, you can just contact us as well. And also, like, we need only interested leads, as lead generation is only about interested leads, so the target won't be much, but you have to get the obviously interested leads and the targeted leads. So I'll just show you how you can just fill the form, how they can fill the form, how your leads can fill the form in case if they have any issues. So for that, I'll just click on the link and I'll just take you to the page. So this is the link. It will be provided to you as well. You just need to click on the link. The leads need to click on the link. So once they click on the link, they'll go to this website, simple form, which is a 1 minute teacher application. White Hat Junior, White Hat JR, live online coding for kids, work from home, earns rupees 50,000 per month. They just need to fill the full name. The gender will be female only, as they are looking for only female coding educators. They need to fill their email ID, their mobile number, and they can select their qualification from here, like BCA, MCA, BE as in Bachelor in Engineering or Masters in Engineering, BTech or MTech, BSc IT or Tech Diploma, or others, right? Do you have a laptop or PC at home for class? So they need to fill yes. And if they have prior coding experience, so obviously those who have prior coding experience, they only are eligible for this. After that, they just need to click on apply now, and once they click on apply now, they are eligible for this. So I'll just quickly fill one form and I'll just show you how it works, right? So this is how it works. They just need to fill the mobile number, just email ID, and after that they just need to click on apply now, right? And after this, they have to go through interview, telephonic interview, followed with some coding rounds which they need to clear, because obviously they need quality teachers who can teach their students properly, right? Also, there are no charges, though they don't charge any application fees or something, so they can apply it for free, and they can actually work with White Hat Junior for a long regular basis and can get a job kind of stuff, and can earn a handsome amount even if they are in final year of college and if they have proper skills. So this is it in the video. If you have any doubts, you can just reach us out. Thanks a lot for watching this video.